And now Levi's really got this figured out. Show him what you got, bud. Good job. Good job. Hey, look at me. Look at me. I'm jumping, jumping, jumping. Yeah. Show him what you got. Good job. Let's see that face. Let's see that face. Woo! Hi, bud. Look at that. Don't stop. I think he likes his toy. What does everybody else think? Do you like your new toy, bud? You like it? Good job. Good job. Yeah. I think you like it too. I think you like it. Bless you. Bless you. Alright. You really got going now. I love you. Say bye-bye to everybody. They're probably going to get dizzy watching this video. Grandma Chris, don't get dizzy watching this video. Bye.